Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Shalda Nahal. Hope you all guys are safe. Today I'm going to tell you how you can use your decoupage tissues. That means how you can cut it and how you can paste it in the different manners.
As this video is divided into the two parts, so I'm adding the link of the previous video in the description below. As I had already shown you this tissue in my previous video, this is named as a German tissue or a decoupage tissue. See its size, it's so big. As you can see, it is divided into the 4 parts with its 4 similar designs. In this video, we need decoupage tissue, Mod Podge, water container, flat brush, 0 number brush, scissor and a plastic sheet. Now I am starting with the tissue. I am cutting this portion. There are the 3 techniques of cutting. First is with the scissor, second is with the brush and third is with the hands. Now I am going to cut the center portion and this butterflies too. It's easy to cut, but you have to be very careful or you will destroy your paper. See, I cut it. You can see its edges. It is roughly cut. Now I am done with my first cutting technique. Now I am coming to the second technique. I am going to cut it with the scissor. One thing before choosing the scissor is it should be pointed and sharp. This is a difficult technique. You need a lot of patience while doing it, and as it is a tissue, you all know tissues are so thin, so it makes a difficult task. At first, you can take a normal kitchen tissue for the practice. Now I am done. You all can see each and every outer flower or a leaf in its shape. It has the sharp edges, so after spending a lot of time on it, I had completed my second technique too. Now I am to my last cutting technique. It will be done with the brush and water. Take a 0 number brush, dab it in a water and place it on a tissue where you want to cut it. Try to separate the print you want from the tissue. This is the easiest technique of cutting and it's my personal favorite technique. I just love it. You can give any desired shape to your tissue. As you can see, I am cutting this tissue in curves. it's done now. You can see the difference between the two, cutting with the hands and cutting with the brush. You can see the edges, one is having the fine curves and other is not. Cutting with the scissor is absolutely different. Decoupage tissues always have 3 layers, 2 are plain white and 1 is a print. This is the first layer. This is the second one. I removed the layers from all the prints. You can see my fingers. The difference between the with layer tissue and without layer tissue. How thin it is. I take this butterfly, put it on my finger and apply water on it. See, the white portion disappears. Only butterfly left. My placing is done. I'm starting pasting with the center part. Pasting of all the deco papers are the same. We have to do it with the Mod Podge for the decoupage tissues as they are very thin. The first way is apply the Mod Podge on the whole area where we have to stick the tissue. Then place the tissue from the center. Press it from the center to the outwards with the help of a finger, dabber or a brush. Then do the second half. Then place a plastic sheet over it and repeat the same technique. It will remove all the bubbles and wrinkles. I'm zooming it for you so that you can see that there is no bubbles, no wrinkles. Now I am doing the second technique. Place the tissue on the area where we have to stick it. Hold the half tissue with your fingers. Apply the Mod Podge on a half area. Then paste it. Do it with the soft hands. Else you may tear your paper. Then do the same on the other half. This technique is used in the big tissue pieces. We are sticking this tissue with the same technique as we had done in the previous tissue. Now apply the layer of Mod Podge on all the 3 tissues. I'm applying the 2 layers with the gap of the 2 hours as it should be dried completely. Now we are done with the cutting and the pasting techniques. I hope you all guys enjoyed my tutorial. I will surely come with the new and some exciting videos on every Tuesday during this lockdown period. Now I'm telling you about my next video. It will be a fox leather clutch like this. So guys, please like, share and subscribe my channel so that you don't miss a chance to learn a full project. And if you want to learn anything else related to the craft, then please write it in a comment box. Thank you so much. Namaste.